Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi! Yes, I have my hand strapped up. Yes, I was stupid and opened a can Coke bottle. Ignore me. I have things. I also have something that I was told was quite rude. So, I will show you at the end what it is that's quite rude. It wasn't what I thought, but it is cute. And maybe rude. You'll have to see. You'll have to tell me what you think, if you think it's rude or not. Now, these are from Tina, Pours Resin with Love. Sorry, I can't get my teeth in. She sent me a whole heap of stuff from Temu, and those glitters are absolutely adorable. I have ideas. I do. This is also glitter. It is a black holographic glitter? I don't know. I can't read the labels. And it might not be black holographic. It might just be black and it just looks holographic. Anyway, it doesn't matter what it is. It's beautiful. I also have ideas for that too. I need to write my ideas down because they will disappear. I have a very good long-term memory. My short-term memory is poop. Look at all them colours. It's so pretty. I do like black. I really like black. So the next one is, I think it's purple? No, it's green. Grass. Mossy stuff. I have since took it out of the bag and put it in its own little box. I'm trying to organise myself. I know it's not going very well. I will get there probably when I'm about 60. I've got some years to go yet. These are double-ended sanding sticks. Always come in useful for your little tiny crevices that you can't get into. And yes, I said crevices. These are teeny tiny bush end thingies. Oh God, brain's gone. Oh dear. Yeah, it's gone. Please tell me what they're called, because I really can't get it in my head. And these are buttons. They've got clocks on them and other bits and bobs on them. I have a thing for buttons too. Actually, what am I doing? I've got a thing for anything that looks pretty or gnarly or pen-wise or notebook. Oh, I might as well just shut up because I've got a thing for everything. It's a good job I don't have a mansion because I would fill every room. That I'm opening now is... Oh, it's the other glitter. Oh, this is another one. It's one of them you just want to dive in. And that tape is absolutely no good. I can't wear my other one. It's got a metal bar in it and I can't move my hands at all. That's for night time. But that one, because I've got it tight, it's helping. It's not too bad now. But that... Oh! Don't you just want to just fill a great big bath and just chuck yourself in it? Is that just me? Am I a bit weird? Probably. Yeah. I have to agree with that, yeah. I've just answered my own question. I'm going to get locked up soon. This is, I think, Mylar Flakes. I haven't opened it because it has leaked a little bit. So I don't want to waste any. Because I'm tight as a duck's backside. And I don't like to waste anything. As you probably could tell if you walked into my house. I have a box just full of cardboards. And boxes. And more boxes. I'm going to have to go through that box. This. Wow. I squealed. Look at these. They are tiny, tiny trees. And they've got different blossoms on them. And I'm like, oh, they're tiny. I love them. Tiny trees. Oh my God. I now have to figure out something to do with these tiny trees because they are stunning. I just wanted to look at them all day. In fact, after I put this video to bed, it was like, I must play with these. What can I do? And I kept sticking them into polymer clay. just to see him stand up. I'm so sad. But this, yeah, if you've been here a long time, or even a short time, you probably know I've got a thing for pens. Yeah, I've got a 16 by 16 box of, well done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, 15 by 20 box to hold pens in. Yeah, that's only took a fraction of the pens I have, and they're all different. They all do different things. I've got a drawer full of alcohol markers. I've got stacks of pencils and crayons, and it's almost like a colour wall. It's beautiful. To me, I just love pens. But these are lush. I'm doing a bit of a swatch just to see what they look like. And I also use it on the thing that I'm going to make out of the mould that comes out in a minute. Oh my god, it's so pretty. These colours are just so juicy. And from Temu, wow. But saying that, I've never had no issue with Temu pens except for them fine nib things that have dried up, because I've had them God knows how long and not used them, because I do that too. Just look at them lovingly. You can't see the white, and I wish I'd have got a black piece of card out so you could see what the colours were like on black. But I didn't think of that. And I'm going to have to hunt through my stash to see if I can find a piece of black card, because I want to know what they look like on black. Because they're pretty. They are absolutely gorgeous. Check out Tina's. Sorry, Tina. I need a drink. Check out Tina's channel. She's absolutely awesome. One of the most genuine people I know. And funniest. I mean, if you had heard a conversation we were having tonight, you'd all think we're mad as box of frogs. But we are adults. And we do our chatting laters. So yeah, these are absolutely beautiful, stunning colours, juicy colours, and they are now a fan favourite. I have to try and remember to keep them laid flat because they're double-ended, and I don't want all the ink to run to one end and not the other, and you know. So this is the mould. Now I looked at this and thought, oh, I've got one similar to this. Oh, is it one of those? Oh, maybe I shouldn't do that on camera. Well, I'll say it, my other one is a little willy. And you could put a dicky bow on it and it's ever so cute. So I thought this was a little willy. It's not a little willy. Thankfully. Because I do actually pour it because I got impatient. So it is tad rude, maybe, slightly. But I had to do it. It's full of holes and bubbles because I was so eager. But there, look. It's a tortoise. And he's sticking middle finger up. If you don't like watching that, the fact it's middle fingers up, I'm sorry. This is an adults only channel. Not an OnlyFans kind of... Oh, shut up. What are you saying? But it's not made for kids. That's what I'm trying to say. So, check out Tina's channel. I shall put her in the bottom in the description. And thank you so much, Tina, because this has made me howl. I absolutely love him and he's staying on my desk. Thank you so much. I am so appreciative. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Tell me what you thought it could have been, if you think it's rude, and check out the pictures. Bye bye.